The function called Averageif, Countif and Sumif. These three functions we have already covered in previous videos. Now let us focus on these three advanced functions: Averageifs, Countifs and Sumifs. Sumifs function is used when you want to do the total of some data based on multiple conditions, whereas Averageifs is used when you want to do the average of some data based on multiple conditions. So Averageifs and Sumifs have no special difference between them. The only difference comes in the final output. Sumifs does the total of data based on multiple condition, and Averageifs does the average of some data based on multiple condition, whereas Countifs will only count number of cells based on multiple condition. So if I just cover Sumifs function, you will understand Averageifs function on your own. So let me just cover Sumifs function first. So in these cells, what do we want to calculate? We want to calculate the total of salary of the people who are in finance department working on a full-time basis and in daily office. So we will use Sumifs function because there are now three conditions. So put in equal here Sumifs. Now the first parameter is sum range. So this is my sum range, comma. Next parameter is criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 will depend on criteria 1. So criteria 1 is finance. So criteria range 1 will be department, comma. Criteria 1 is finance, comma. Criteria range 2 will depend on criteria 2. So criteria 2 is daily. So criteria range 2 will be city column, comma. Criteria 2 is daily, comma. Criteria range 3 will depend on criteria 3. Criteria 3 is full time. So criteria range 3 will be status column, comma. Criteria 3 is full time, bracket close. Now Sumifs will do the total of salary when the person is into finance department working on full time and in daily office. So function will look for such a combination which is meeting all the three criteria. So the answer is 39,584. So before you copy this formula across, we have to fix the ranges properly. So press F2. Always remember that ranges will always be fixed absolute. So this is the range. Press F4 to make it an absolute reference. This is another range. So just press F4 to make it absolute reference. Now this is criteria B21. B21 is finance. This should be fixed for column. Put dollar before column. Fix this range. C19. C19 is daily. Daily should be fixed only for row. So put dollar before 19. This should be fixed for row and column both. So press F4 to make it absolute reference. C18. This should be fixed for row only. So put dollar before row. Enter. Copy this and paste it across.